Somebody sent me a message and asked me what kind of motor this had, and I'm pretty sure they just wanted to know that if it had a C-pole or C-frame motor. I'm not good with the shader pole stuff. I don't know what is what really, but anyway, this I'm pretty sure is a capacitor motor. The information for it that I can see is right there. I needed to take it apart. I wanted to oil it from the back. I only oiled it from the front before, so also I wanted to show you guys, if I can get it to focus in there. You can see in there. Hold on. Let me get it. See if I can get a look of it here. Yeah. There you go. See in there? It's got, see in that little hole right there? It's got cooling fins. At least I think that's what those are. I've heard people say that you know a good fan motor if it's got cooling fins inside the motor. And that one looks to have that. So I don't know if that makes it good or not, but I like this fan. It works very well. I did make one mistake though. I said it was very easy to come apart in my video of it, but the wire comes up through the base here, and this doesn't want to, you know, getting this off is going to be a problem, but I think you can just do everything you needed to do to the motor from the back is what it looks like. So I mean, it doesn't have any capacitor hanging off the outside. Maybe it's down here. I didn't even think about that. It may be down here, but I'm pretty sure it's a capacitor motor. Somebody, you know, I'm sure Jordan will tell me what it has. But anyway, this was a $30 fan. I mean, off Amazon, and it had free shipping. So, and they got all kinds of these on here, different colors. It's a good fan. I'm very impressed with it. It works great right here at the computer. The oscillation works great. So anyway, I hope that answers your question. I'll post it on my channel, and then I will send you a message and letting you know that it's there. I can't remember your name. I forgot. So anyway, thanks for watching, and like I say, I'll post this as soon as I get this back together. All right, thanks.